Here I have DOOGEE V30 and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it completely turns off, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you should use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you should select the second option, Fastboot mode. After that, you will enter Fastboot mode. So when you're done using Fastboot mode and you want to exit it, what you have to do is to just hold down power key for about 7 or 10 seconds, and after that, device will be restarted just as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.